These 7 research-backed, insanely easy tips will boost your focus almost 10 times instantly. You need this because almost 50% of the population suffers from attention span decline and lack of focus. But how did this happen? And for you to not be among them, I spent weeks studying and trying the best ways, and it all starts with one: the 60-second breathing. When you're distracted, your brain is basically scattered, restless, and overstimulated. Stanford neuroscientist Andrew Huberman calls this the physiological sigh. This immediately calms your nervous system and boosts the focus. So, take one big inhale and inhale again to fill your lungs completely. Then exhale all the air, emptying your lungs. Repeat this for 60 seconds. It takes just a minute. And the magical thing about this is when you do this regularly, over time your stress baseline lowers and your natural ability to focus skyrockets. But to really boost your focus 10 times, you need to do all the other tips too. 2. 3-minute movement. Studies show that a 3-minute burst of physical activity delivers more oxygen and glucose to your brain. So when your brain starts getting foggy and you feel distracted, don't scroll. Instead, just do this. For 3 minutes, just move. I usually do 20 squats. You can do some push-ups, jumping jacks, or a quick walk. In the long run, these short daily bursts build up brain health, making you more resistant to distractions. 3. The 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 drill. This method is a super weapon. Here's what you do in this drill. Name 5 things you can see, 4 things you can feel, 3 things you can hear, 2 things you can smell, 1 thing you can taste. This tests your awareness. Research shows drills like this actually train your brain's prefrontal cortex. 4. The true Pomodoro technique. You've probably heard of the Pomodoro technique. Work 25 minutes, break 5 minutes. But the truth is, most people get it wrong. They work 25 minutes and take a break of 5 minutes. But during the break, they usually scroll or catch up with another activity, and 5 minutes turns into 10 minutes and so on. The true Pomodoro technique is the modified version of the original Pomodoro, enhancing the technique and making it easier to complete the tasks. So here's how you do it. You work or study for 20 minutes. During the 20 minutes, you try to block all the distractions and just focus on your work. Here, your only job is to keep your attention on one thing. And when the timer hits 20 minutes, you sit quietly for 5 minutes and reflect on the work you just did in your mind with eyes closed. And after this, you can take a guilt-free 5-minute break. And you repeat this cycle till your work is done. This helps build mental stamina like a muscle and strengthens your focus and endurance. Before we move further, hit the subscribe button. It means a lot to me. The next drill to push your brain past its limits is the mental gym drill. So in this, you need to do any one of these 3. 1. Count your breath backwards from 50. 2. Do any mental math. 3. Try to recite the alphabet but skip every other letter. These take only 2 minutes, so you can sneak them in anytime. Now the final 2, which are literally the easiest but the most effective of them all. 6. Visualization. Athletes use it before games. Public speakers use it before stages. Here's how you can use it. Close your eyes for 2 minutes. Picture yourself doing your task, writing fluidly, studying with 0 distractions, or making a video. Why does this work? Because your brain activates the same neural circuits when you visualize as when you do the real thing. It's like a warm-up. The more you rehearse success in your mind, the easier it becomes to replicate in real life. Now the final one, and don't worry, I'll give you a very easy schedule where you can implement these properly in a minute. 7. Daily short focus walk. In this, you just walk. No phone, no music, but as you walk, you pay attention to your surroundings, the sounds, the colors, the details, and the way your feet hit the ground. It's not just about being focused, it's about being sustainably focused. Before I give you the schedule, know that these 7 habits will help you boost your focus, but the root cause might still interfere with this process. Researchers found that our attention span has dropped by almost 33% in just the last 2 decades. Social media platforms, they're literally billion-dollar machines optimized to keep you attached. Every notification makes you check your phone. Even work and school make you focus on 10 things at once. Neuroscientists like Gloria Mark and Adam Gazzaley have shown that getting used to constant switching makes your focus muscles weaker and weaker over time. So to counter the cause as well, you schedule it this way. When you wake up, drink water and take the daily short focus walk. Then visualize your day. You can sneak in a mental drill now if you want, or save it for another time. Then before you start your activity, visualize your work. You can use the 60-second breathing when you start losing focus, and when you start feeling tired and feel the focus fading, do the 3-minute movement. During the whole work session, use the true Pomodoro technique. Both mental drills can be optional. Do drill 1 every Tuesday and Friday, and drill 2 every Monday, Wednesday, and Saturday. Let me know what you think about this in the comments. I'll see you in the next one.